Okay, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you the comparison between the Git and GitHub Desktop. So what is Git and what is GitHub Desktop? Git is a distributed version control system, command line tool. It tracks code changes, branches, merges, commits, and it doesn't require internet, so it works locally. On the other hand, with GitHub Desktop, what you're gonna actually get is a graphical interface for Git built by GitHub. So lets you use the Git features with buttons instead of command line commands. Does it make sense? And it syncs well with the GitHub repositories. So the GitHub Desktop is the dashboard and the Git is the engine. So how they work, and the GitHub Desktop is built on top of Git. Everything you do in a GitHub Desktop, so let's say you have like commits, the push, pull, merge, is really running Git commands behind the screen, behind the scenes. So yeah, I mean, like, that's it. It really depends if you want to like the graphical thing or if you want to have the option to have like visual learners that you don't want to have, let's say, commands that you have only with Git. And that's pretty much it for like what are the differences. So thank you very much for watching. I hope a great day. And yeah, goodbye.